Shelatin, awesomeness. Shelatin, awesome. Shelatin, awesomeness. You're chilling with the Sharp family. You're chilling with the Sharp family.
So we are branching off in a category that we've never been before.
No. Welcome everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm your girl Tanisha and this is Sheldon.
So we're gonna try some dance thing, people. She's gonna do a dance, I'm gonna guess what a dance be, and vice versa. I'm gonna do a dance and she's gonna guess what it be. Right. So
By the way, I can't dance now.
we can't dance neither, but here are people. We having fun. So take it to them. Do one dance and see what I'm going for you.
Okay.
No, go on again. You see me can't guess it. Go on again. I wish you had $75 Yeah, that's the try to use it. Alright.
So your turn.
Yeah, my time to dance and you guess it, alright?
Alright.
Ready? You ready? Alright. Hold on a second. Come here, look. Bogle, yeah. You can do it? Do you understand?
No, candy.
Because you can't do Bogle.
No.
Come, you say, like, yeah. I'm going back. Yeah. And, yeah. You got that stuff. Show me what you're doing.
Just watch and you will see. Wait. I forget my dance move, you know. Okay, so we can't use my copyright music on here.
Yeah, silence.
Yes.
Listen, listen.
People, we have to get the rhythm in our head and the melody in our mind and just do it.
Alright, go on, Mr. Eder. Me don't know that one there. What that one there? Let me know that. Go on again.
Alright, we will go again. Just watch now. Observe.
Yeah, go on. Me don't know that answer, babe. So, you should say I dance also.
Put in a comment if you know which dance we are. Because we don't know what.
Go on again. One more time.
Let's look. Let's imagine the rhythm in our head because we can't use the song.
We give up. People, I don't know what she's dancing. She's just moving. We're dancing.
Macarena.
Oh, okay.
You remember?
Okay.
Do you know me see?
It's a woman dance, a man dance. So, and them winding waist.
Where am I come with now? Come, where am I come with now?
You don't get this, you know? You don't know them dancing. Watch me, you know?
Because I don't know, I can't dance, you know, when I try to thing, you know. Yeah.
Go on, because we are there.
So, I'm gonna do this out from way back. Hopefully I can get it. So let me just meditate on the rhythm and the song.
Start over. Start over. We are in the chorus, okay, and then what? People, alright, on the river, on the bank, on the river, on the bank, Diana. Yeah, people, listen, elephant man, people, remember that one I
Signal the plane, yeah, signal the plane. Signal the plane, yeah, signal the plane.
and what?
Parachute.
People, when you go dance, you know 1 and 2 things, you know? Go for this, sir. Go for this, sir.
So I'm ready again.
People, I bust a dance, so she don't remember. And she know it.
Really? Remember every dance?
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Go on now.
It's on myself. Come, son, come, son. Come, son. Come now. Mine close, no, mine close. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Let's roll. Let's roll.
I'm gonna dance that.
Come here, though.
I don't know.
Watch it. Watch it. Watch it.
Frog pop.
Nothing so. Yeah, gully creeper. Gully creeper. Gully creeper. Gully creeper.
Okay.
Run up. Yo, this is good, man. See
Alright.
that shit, right? What?
Man, this guy go funny.
No, I go funny. Tell me where the check. Tell me where the check. Where name? Where name? Where the
I
dollar?
don't know when I spin your head.
Eh?
When I spin their head. Man, this guy go funny.
Okay, why you trying to? Yeah, sir. Hello, hello.
Yeah, you do that.
No, yeah,
You never seen it.
no. People, she was trying to do dirty wine. Because of our workout. Come, she start flash her head. But so her body didn't even start. Her body didn't even start move with her head now, you know?
People dancing and up in the air.
It's not from us, but we'll try. Ready?
Start now.
You don't know it.
Yeah.
Come, make it show. Give up. Come laugh at you. We're just having some fun, alright?
Go.
Come.
So that's it for today.
Yes, guys, so we took on something like old school dancing thing a while ago.
Yeah, hope you enjoy
Listen.
them. Remember to like the video.
Give us a score, guys, but don't be too hard on us now because we're not dancers. We're just trying something a while ago.
Yeah.
You know, just having some fun.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
How now we build it? We don't know it yet. Remember now, guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, okay?
Share with a friend.
Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a
friend.
Alright. Peace out, guys.
Bye.